Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are good. I am back with lesson number 8. This is the second part of the story, Ayaz and Niaz. Do you remember where the first part of the story ended? Yes, we left where Ayaz was thinking what to do with the oil. Let's start the second part of the story. Yes, it is very nice. Ayaz looked and looked and looked at the pot of oil. He stared at it. He thought and thought and thought. Soon his eyelids became heavy. His head began to nod. He mumbled, I wonder how much oil there is in that pot. There is a lot of oil in it. But what am I to do with it? I should sell it. Yes, I should sell the oil. Then I can buy a few hens. The hens will lay eggs. I can sell the eggs. Then I can buy a sheep. The sheep will have a lamb, then another, then another. Soon I shall have a flock of sheep. I shall sell the sheep and become a rich man. Rich, rich, rich. I will become richer than Niaz. Then I shall marry a wife. We might have a son. He will be a fine boy. He will be tall and strong and clever. Yes, he will be all those things. But he will have to listen to me. He will have to obey me. But if he does not obey me, just then Ayaz picked up a stick and swung it through the air. Yes, if he does not listen to me, I shall teach him a lesson. The stick swished through the air. It hit the pot of oil, and the pot of oil came crashing down right on top of Ayaz's head. The pot broke. The oil ran all over Ayaz. Ayaz is still a poor man. Did you enjoy the story? Very good. Now let's have a quick look at the given task. What have you learned from the story? Share your views through WhatsApp on 0302986170. I will be waiting for your ideas. Till then, bye-bye.